Have you ever thought about what it would be like to wake up one morning and not be able to get out of bed by yourself? For millions of older adults, this isn't just a scary thought. It's their daily reality. The culprit? Age-related muscle loss. While you're reading this article, about 40 seniors will be sent to the hospital because of a condition that could have been prevented. Nursing homes are filling up, families are struggling, and the worst part is that most people don't realize what's happening until it's too late. But there's good news. Research from Harvard Medical School has found that certain everyday foods contain special compounds that can help rebuild muscle, even in people in their 70s or 80s. Surprisingly, some of these muscle-saving foods might not even be in your kitchen right now. In clinical studies, these foods worked better than prescription medications for restoring muscle mass that many doctors think is gone forever. One particular food even stopped muscle loss in 9 out of 10 people in just 6 weeks. Let's explore 8 powerful foods that can help protect your muscle mass after age 60. Greek yogurt, a protein powerhouse. Greek yogurt stands out as an excellent choice for older adults who want to maintain their muscle mass. What makes it special compared to regular yogurt? The straining process removes extra liquid, leaving behind a more concentrated product with twice the protein. A 6-ounce serving, about 170 grams, of Greek yogurt contains approximately 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, which is essential for keeping your muscles strong. Greek yogurt is rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and provides a steady supply of amino acids to your muscles over several hours. This is especially helpful for older people whose bodies don't process protein as efficiently. It's particularly effective when eaten before bedtime because it helps reduce muscle breakdown during the night when you're not eating. Additionally, Greek yogurt contains calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, minerals that are not only crucial for strong bones, but also for proper muscle function. The probiotics in Greek yogurt support gut health, which science increasingly shows is important for nutrient absorption and controlling inflammation, both key factors in preserving muscle. For best results, choose plain Greek yogurt. Avoid pre-flavored varieties as they often contain too much sugar. Instead, pick full-fat, unsweetened versions and add your own flavor with berries, nuts, or a little honey. Try to include Greek yogurt in your diet 3 to 4 times per week, especially as an evening snack. A study in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association showed that older adults who consumed protein supplements like those found in Greek yogurt experienced major improvements in muscle strength, mobility, and balance, even without exercise. When combined with resistance training, these benefits increased significantly. 2. Whey protein, the muscle preservation champion. Whey protein is considered the most effective food for fighting age-related muscle loss in older adults. This protein comes from milk and contains the highest levels of leucine, an essential amino acid that directly stimulates muscle growth, even in aging muscles that have become less responsive to growth signals. Whey is especially beneficial for seniors because it digests and absorbs very quickly, rapidly increasing amino acid levels in the blood. This is important for counteracting anabolic resistance, a common problem in aging muscles where they don't respond as well to protein. A notable study from McMaster University showed that older adults who consumed whey protein maintained muscle mass 40% more effectively than those who ate the same amount of protein from regular food sources. Beyond just protein, whey contains bioactive compounds that improve blood flow to muscles, enhance insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation, all key factors in preserving muscle as we age. The cysteine in whey supports antioxidant production, helping prevent oxidative damage that accelerates with age. Research published in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association found that older adults using whey protein saw significant improvements in muscle strength, mobility, and balance, even without exercise. When combined with resistance training, these benefits increase substantially. For optimal results, consume 20-30 grams of whey protein daily, preferably within 30 minutes after physical activity. Choose whey isolate or concentrate that is minimally processed and free from added sugars or artificial ingredients. If you're sensitive to dairy, hydrolyzed whey may be easier to digest. You can mix whey with water or milk, or blend it into a smoothie with berries and other ingredients to create a complete meal that protects muscle mass. 3. Lean beef, complete nutrition for muscles. There's no better combination of high-quality protein and essential nutrients than what's found in lean beef, which is especially important for preserving muscle mass in older adults. A 4-ounce serving, about 113 grams of beef, contains approximately 25 grams of complete protein. This protein has an amino acid structure that perfectly matches the needs of human muscle tissue. Beef is particularly valuable for seniors because of its high leucine content. Leucine directly activates the mTOR pathway, which is crucial for muscle protein synthesis. Older adults need more leucine to achieve the same muscle-building effects as younger people because their muscles don't respond as efficiently to growth signals. Beef provides one of the highest levels of leucine among all food sources. Beyond protein, beef also contains creatine, a compound that increases muscle volume and energy storage. While young people can produce enough creatine naturally, this ability declines with age, making food sources more important. Additionally, beef provides highly absorbable iron, zinc, and B vitamins, all necessary for energy metabolism and delivering oxygen to muscles. Research from McMaster University found that older adults who consumed lean red meat showed significantly greater increases in muscle strength when combined with resistance training compared to those eating the same amount of protein from plant sources. For muscle maintenance without compromising heart health, choose lean cuts like sirloin, tenderloin, or round steak, and limit intake to 2 to 3 meals per week. Each serving should be 4 to 6 ounces, about 113 to 170 grams. Grass-fed beef offers additional benefits due to its healthier fat composition, including higher levels of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. Chapter 4. Fatty fish, omega-3s for muscle protection. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines offer an excellent nutritional combination to help maintain muscle mass, a crucial function for older adults. The most important components are the omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which clinical trials have shown significantly reduce inflammation, a key factor that contributes to muscle breakdown in aging bodies. A 4-ounce serving, about 113 grams of salmon, contains approximately 20 grams of complete protein, with all the essential amino acids needed for muscle maintenance and repair. The omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish make muscles more sensitive to protein, meaning the protein you eat becomes more effective at stimulating muscle growth. This is crucial for older adults whose bodies typically respond less effectively to protein as they age. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older individuals who ate fatty fish twice weekly experienced significantly less muscle loss over 3 years compared to those who rarely ate fish. Many seniors are deficient in vitamin D, making the vitamin D in these fish even more valuable. Vitamin D improves muscle function and strength. For optimal results, eat fatty fish at least twice per week, preferably wild-caught varieties when possible. If preparing fish is difficult, high-quality fish oil supplements can help, although whole foods remain superior. 5. Eggs, nature's perfect muscle food. When it comes to maintaining muscle mass in older adults, eggs are one of the most versatile and cost-effective foods available. Many people focus only on egg whites, but the whole egg provides an almost ideal combination of nutrients that's especially beneficial for aging muscles. On the biological value scale, which measures how efficiently your body can use a protein, eggs score very highly. This means your body can effectively use egg protein to preserve muscle mass. A large egg contains complete protein, including leucine, which directly stimulates muscle growth. This is particularly important for older adults whose muscles don't respond as well to growth signals. Notably, the egg yolk contains about half of this protein, along with other essential nutrients like choline, vitamin D, and leucine. When comparing whole eggs to egg whites with the same amount of protein, research from the University of Illinois found that eating whole eggs after exercise triggered a 40% greater muscle-building response than egg whites alone. This finding is especially significant for older individuals, as the nutrients in egg yolks may help overcome age-related barriers to muscle growth. In the past, many seniors avoided eggs due to cholesterol concerns. However, these concerns have largely been debunked. Recent research shows that eating eggs in moderation, up to 7 eggs per week, typically doesn't increase heart disease risk and may even help lower cholesterol levels. For best results, try including 1 to 2 eggs daily, especially at breakfast when protein intake is often low. Hard-boiled eggs make a convenient snack requiring no preparation, ideal for older adults with limited energy or cooking ability. 6. Nuts and seeds, plant-based muscle protectors. Nuts and seeds offer a powerful combination of plant-based protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients that help maintain muscle mass in older adults. Although they don't contain as much protein as animal sources, their unique nutritional profile provides significant benefits for muscle preservation. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds are particularly beneficial. A quarter cup of almonds provides about 6 grams of protein and significant magnesium, an important mineral often deficient in older adults that plays a key role in muscle contraction and energy production. Magnesium deficiency is associated with faster muscle loss and more frequent cramping. Walnuts are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that helps reduce chronic inflammation, which can lead to muscle breakdown. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of zinc, which supports testosterone production, a hormone that decreases with age but remains crucial for maintaining muscle even in older adults. The vitamin E found in most nuts and seeds acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting muscle cell membranes from oxidative damage related to aging. Research from Tufts University shows that older adults with higher blood levels of vitamin E experienced significantly less muscle loss. For effective muscle preservation, eat 1 to 2 ounces, 28 to 56 grams, of nuts and seeds regularly. Pre-portion mixed nuts into small containers to avoid overeating, as they are relatively high in calories. Choose unsalted varieties, especially if you have high blood pressure or fluid retention issues. 7. Berries, antioxidant protection for aging muscles. Though berries might not seem directly related to muscle protection at first glance, their high antioxidant content plays an important role in safeguarding aging muscle tissue. As we age, muscles become more vulnerable to oxidative stress, which contributes to muscle degeneration and makes recovery more difficult. The anthocyanins and other polyphenols found in blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries protect muscle cell membranes and mitochondria, the energy producers inside muscle cells, from damage. These compounds fight free radicals and prevent tissue damage. Research from Tufts University found that consuming blueberries improved physical performance and muscle recovery in older adults. Oleocanthal, a compound in olive oil, acts similarly to ibuprofen, helping reduce chronic low-grade inflammation, a factor that promotes muscle breakdown in aging bodies. Research from Louisiana University found that oleocanthal specifically inhibits enzymes involved in muscle protein degradation. Additionally, olive oil enhances insulin sensitivity, which is especially important because insulin resistance common in older adults, interferes with the muscle's ability to use protein efficiently. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil also support the production of hormones, including testosterone and growth hormone, both of which decline with age but remain crucial for maintaining muscle mass. A study from the Predimed Project showed that older adults who included olive oil daily as part of a Mediterranean diet had significantly better muscle strength and lower rates of frailty over a 5-year period compared to those on low-fat diets. For optimal benefits, consume 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily. Use it in salad dressings, drizzle it over cooked vegetables, or use it at low temperatures for cooking. Store olive oil in a dark bottle away from heat to preserve its beneficial properties. Also, check the harvest date on the bottle to ensure freshness. The bottom line: simple changes for stronger muscles. These 8 foods provide a powerful foundation for maintaining and even rebuilding muscle mass after age 60. Remember that muscle isn't just about appearance. It's the key to independence, balance, better metabolism, and a healthier, more fulfilling life as you age. By incorporating these foods into your daily diet, you're not just slowing down muscle degeneration, you're actively improving your health future. Even small dietary changes can lead to significant improvements in strength, energy, and mobility over time. For the best results, combine these muscle-protecting foods with regular physical activity, particularly resistance exercises like weightlifting or bodyweight exercises. Even gentle strength training twice weekly can make a tremendous difference in preserving muscle mass and function. Stay consistent with both your diet and exercise routine. Muscle preservation is a long-term commitment, but the rewards, maintaining independence, reducing fall risk, and enjoying a higher quality of life, are well worth the effort. Which of these muscle-protecting foods do you already include in your diet? Have you noticed improvements in your strength or mobility? Start with just 1 or 2 changes this week and build from there. Your future self will thank you for taking action today to protect your muscles and independence for years to come.